You can actually make money with CPA marketing as far as you're promoting your offers the right way. And you can see right now in my Cpagrip account, I've actually made this particular amount right here today. So to actually go on to replicating this particular strategy, which I did use to make this amount, make sure you do watch the video right here to the end to do so. And this is going to be a beginner friendly strategy and 100% free strategy. So guys, if you're interested in this, do watch the video right here. And if you're also interested guys in watching or gaining access to a lot of other strategies you can use to promoting your CPA marketing offers, why not just simply watch this video right now, or scroll through my channel rather, and actually do go on to checking out a lot of cool and amazing tricks and strategies you can actually do use to promote your CPA marketing offers. Also subscribe to my channel and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. With that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So basically guys, if you don't know what CPA marketing is all about, CPA marketing is actually a form of affiliate marketing where you just need to convince people to go on to doing simple tasks, maybe by signing up to a website, completing a simple survey by submitting their email address and zip code, all their phone numbers, and you do get paid some cool affiliate commission for directing people to do so. So guys, you can actually do gain access to this platform right now, which is called Cpagrip.com, for absolutely free, as this is a CPA marketing platform where you could get offers to direct people to complete, and if they do complete such offers, you do get paid some cool affiliate commission. And right now guys, if you don't have an account on this platform, click on register. You should be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately. Make sure you focus more on the fields with these red asterisk signs, and once you are done with that, agree to the terms of services right now and just simply go on to creating your account right here. So once you do create your account, you can then just simply go on to logging into your account. So guys, once you do log into your account, as you can see right here, I'm logged into my account right now. I can then just simply come right here, go onto the offer tools and click on my offers to actually get offers to go on to promoting. So as you can see right there, you'll be brought to this page right here, and as you can see for this country section, I actually do have the United States country right here. You could focus on any country of your choice. Right here you could actually see other categories of offers like the mobile install, the pin submit, the email submit, and the zip submit offer. You could see the credit card submit offer also. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you can see multiple offers which you could go on to promoting right now. For this offer right here, you just need to go on to directing people to install an application, and you do get paid this particular amount, which is $1.19. For this one right here, you need to direct people from the United States to actually submit their email address or zip code while going through a survey, and you do get paid $1.45. And right here the list keeps going on and on. So if you do select an offer right now, you'll be able to see more details about that offer once the pop-up is actually shown. So right now guys, you can actually do see this pop-up right here has been shown. You can see this offer right now is available for the United States demographic. The title of this offer is for you to install and register in the Chevron app. And you can see right here that if you do install and register for the app, and your leads actually have to come for the United States, they actually need to be using an Android device to complete this offer, and they just need to download and install the application on their mobile devices, and you do get paid $1.19 for every successful lead which you do get to this offer. And as you can see right now guys, that this particular section is where you do see your unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. If you do copy the link right now, you could then just simply go into promoting this right here using any platform of your choice. But guys, before you do promote this, it is quite advisable that you actually do go into creating a landing page right there, and you could use this particular platform called the Google site to create a landing page. You could also use this platform called the Systemy.io to create a landing page, or the Breezy.io right here. And these are actually cool landing page builder sites which you could just simply take advantage of to go on to promoting your landing page. And once you promote it or create a simple landing page right now, once you create a simple landing page using this particular platform, you then want to just simply promote that by just simply coming right here to this particular platform, which is called the Post All Ads for Free. And if you do come onto this platform called postalladsforfree.com, you can actually use that to promote your CPA marketing offers, as with this platform you can actually do get targeted traffic to any location of your choice. And then as you can see right now, this our offer is for the United States demographic. We can actually do go to targeting the United States demographic. As you can see that right here, this particular platform can promote offers to the United States. If I do select that particular demographic right now, and the page actually do goes on to loading up, You can then just simply select the particular location in the United States where you want to promote your offers to, and actually do fill out the form which will be shown about that particular offer, and you can then just simply promote that using this platform right here. And that's going to be quite easy right now. Just simply do that right here and start getting traffic to your CPA marketing offers. You could also utilize this platform right now, which is called the Cpagrip.com, as this is also an amazing platform where you could promote offers also. You just want to come right here, click on post ad, and you can then just simply sign up to this platform. As you can see, I'm signed up and logged into my account. Next, you want to just simply click on post ad right here. If you do that right now, the page is actually going to load up, where you want to just simply select your ad type right now, and you want to select the type of ad right here. Maybe if you do want to just simply select something right here, you could select the category of that particular offer right here. Supposing I just want to go on to selecting a simple category right now. Maybe I'm just going to select that category. For the subcategory, you could select that right here and just simply select something that fits in that particular offer. But what I'm selecting right now does not necessarily fit that offer, but select something that fits that offer category. I'm going to promoting that. Right here, you want to give your offer a cool title. You can actually use exactly the same title as in Cpagrip. You also want to put in a price type right here, and you can actually put in something right now. You could also go on to selecting the currency right here. You can select dollars. For the price, you want to leave this on 0 because you are not actually going to be paying any money to do this, and you want to also your audience to actually go on to gaining access to that for free. And right now, you could just simply put in conditions right now. You could put in new or used or old. You can see the authenticity. You could leave that on original and just simply put in a cool description for that offer. You could also see the features list and fill out all the details based on your preference. You could also go on to add in some cool images about that particular offer right now. You could fill in your contact details and actually do fill out these sections appropriately. Then once you are done, simply click on submit listing, and your ad will be promoted on this particular platform for absolutely free. And you can just simply use that to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers and start making some cool cash online. And these are amazing strategies which you can just simply use to promote your CPA marketing offers in the year 2023. And if you're interested in getting more cool and amazing tricks which you could use to promote your offers, why not just simply go on to subscribing to my channel? And if you do subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on all, because I will always be alerting you whenever I release such cool videos that are actually amazing for you to go on making money with CPA marketing. And that's it for now. Also do check out the video which you can see on the screen right now to go on to taking out other strategies.